5 tips pack for trip effectively. Traveling is an exciting opportunity to explore the world and create lasting memories. However, packing for a trip can often be overwhelming, especially if it's your first time. The key to successful packing is to be organized and plan ahead. You don't want to find yourself stuck at the airport or hotel without a crucial item. The following video will provide some tips to ensure that you pack for your trip effectively, including what to bring, how to stay organized, and how to pack efficiently. 1. Make a list of items to bring. The first and most important step to packing effectively is making a list. Before you start packing, take a few moments to think about what you need to bring on your trip. Start by making a mental list of items you'll need, such as clothing, toiletries, electronics, and anything else you might need. Once you have your mental list made, it's time to make a physical list. Write it down and add to it as you think of more items. Make sure to check the weather for your destination to know what type of clothing and items you need to bring. Having a list will help ensure you don't forget anything important and can help you stay organized throughout the packing process. 2. Pack light and keep items organized. When packing, bring only the essentials for your trip, including clothes, toiletries, medications, and any other items you may need. Make sure you also have enough space in your luggage for souvenirs and other items you may pick up along the way. Additionally, labeling your containers can help you keep track of your items, so you know exactly where everything is when you need it. 3. Roll your clothes to save space. To maximize the space in your suitcase and ensure that everything fits, try rolling your clothes. This age-old trick will help you fit way more items into your suitcase than folding. If you're worried about wrinkles, you can always iron your clothes after you unpack. 4. Use packing cubes and compression bags. Packing cubes and compression bags are an essential tool for an organized and efficient travel experience. Packing cubes help you keep your clothes organized and easier to access during your trip. Compression bags are great for squeezing out extra air from bulky items, like towels and blankets, helping you fit more into less space. Plus, they make packing and unpacking a breeze since all your items will be neatly organized and easy to find. 5. Choose layers of clothing. When you're packing for a trip, one of the most effective ways to stay comfortable and save on space is to choose layers of clothing. Layering allows you to add or remove clothing as the temperature changes, and you can mix and match pieces from your wardrobe to create new looks. Start with a base layer of warm, comfortable clothing like a t-shirt and long underwear. Then, add a few items like sweaters or thermal tops and bottoms for added warmth. Finally, add a coat or waterproof outer layer for protection from the elements. By creating a few different layers, you can stay comfortable no matter where you're traveling. In conclusion, packing for a trip can be a daunting task, but with proper preparation and organization, it doesn't have to be.